हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ परफ्यूम एम्प्टीज शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई हैव दीज 10 परफ्यूम्स दैट आई हैव completely finished and I wanted to share my mini reviews with you guys if I will be repurchasing these fragrances or not, or whether I'm able to get done with these and I'm no longer wish to repurchase them. So yes, I will be able to conclude whether I will be buying or saying bye bye to the product. So let's begin with the mini reviews and let's begin with the perfume empties. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. The first one that I want to start off with is Lolita. Now this one is from All Good Scents and ये मेरे पास almost 3 साल से परफ्यूम है। मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही थी, बट इसका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा नटी, बहुत स्वीट एंड बहुत कफ सिरप लाइक लगता है। ये एक मेडिसिनल परफ्यूम लगता है एंड आई रियली नीडेड टू बी इन अ सर्टन मूड टू रीच आउट टू दिस परफ्यूम। एंड ऑब्वियसली आई हैव मोर स्वीटर नटियर फ्रेग्रेंसेज इन माई कलेक्शन, मोर gourmand leaning, more non-medicinal fragrances that actually smell like perfume. So I was always leaning towards those fragrances rather than going for this one. ये छोटी bottle है, like it's not a very hefty bottle, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ml नहीं है, but just using 4 to 5 this perfume would give me that strong medicinal vibe. And that cough syrup vibe used to take a long time to go down because I like those nutty, sweet, gourmand fragrances. But just that medicinal touch was off-putting to my nose. This is said to be kind of like a closer dupe to Girl of Now by Elie Saab. Platinum Perfume has done amazing dupe of Elie Saab's Girl of Now, and that is through and through like a 80% dupe. I really don't need this in my collection. So this one is a bye-bye for me. I will not be repurchasing it. And you know, there are so many better nutty fragrances in the market that I enjoy more. So this is like a bye-bye to me. Next, I want to talk about something that I have repurchased. And this one is from Plum Goodness. This one is Plum Body Loving Smokin' Vanilla. I have recently in my haul, I think shown you that I have bought like a backup bottle of this one. इसका पैकेजिंग अब प्लम ने थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया है, एक ओम्ब्रे इफेक्ट आ गया है, बॉटल बहुत सुंदर दिखती है, शेप ऐसा ही है बट थोड़ा एक ओम्ब्रे इफेक्ट आ गया। क्या चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में? कभी डॉग ही रो रहा है, कभी बेबी रो रहा है, कोई ना कोई रो रहा है। ये देखो क्या हुआ बच्चा। बॉटल का शेप एंड साइज एग्जैक्टली सेम है एंड जूस भी अंदर का सेम है। नाउ दिस वन इज अ स्मोकिन वेनिला। टू माय नोज दिस इज अ फ्लोरल वेनिला। मुझे इसमें कुछ स्मोकिन नहीं लगता, इसमें कोई स्मोकीनेस नहीं है, इसमें कोई वो बात नहीं है, बट इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश फ्लोरल वेनिला। आई एंजॉय फ्रेश फ्लोरल वेनिला। इसमें हनी सकल का नोट काफी प्रोमिनेंट है अलॉन्ग विद वेनिला एंड सम अदर फ्लोरल नोट्स। आई लव द सेंट प्रोफाइल, वेरी नाइस कैजुअल एवरीडे ऑफिस वेयर casual wear kind of a perfume. I wear this almost every day. I have finished 2 bottles of this and I have repurchased it for the 3rd time. So that tells you a lot about this fragrance. I love the scent profile. Does not perform really well. You have to touch up this fragrance every 3 hours, which is annoying, right? It is annoying. This should have been more long lasting and more potent for the price. Like, you know, Arabic fragrances इतने सस्ते आते हैं, they perform so well कि अब ना एक एक्सपेक्टेशन बन जाती है कि कितने का भी परफ्यूम क्यों ना हो, परफॉर्म ढंग से करना चाहिए। तो उसमें ये मिसिंग है, बट यार आई लव द सेंट प्रोफाइल, तो रीपर्चेस कर लिया है एंड पहले बता रही हूँ 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा ये नहीं चलता। Moving on to a perfume that is not a repurchase for me. So this perfume is Azali from the brand Lalique. Now Lalique makes one of my favorite fragrances. In fact, Lalique Amethyst is my signature scent, has been my signature scent, will always be my signature scent. So that says a lot about Lalique fragrances. But this particular one is something that I will not repurchase because I found this fragrance initially very nice, very mature, very rosy, womanly kind of a fragrance. But later on I just grew bored of it and I was thinking कि ये कब खत्म होगी। तो जब इतना जूस बचा हुआ था, that's where I was struggling to get done with it. And since it's a Lalique fragrance, obviously doesn't cost less. It's an expensive perfume. I wanted to make complete use of this before I say bye to this product. It's a nice fragrance. It's a nice everyday perfume. A very mature scent, perfect for office, so non-offensive, very beautiful rosy fragrance. But I just grew out of it. Like I was like, yeah, there is nothing so designer about it, you know. So I'm saying bye bye to this fragrance. I will not be repurchasing this one. This is the last time that you're seeing Azali on my channel. Let's talk about the perfume that will again stay in my collection, and I have already repurchased it. This one is from Platinum Perfume, and this one is called as Delina. Now, no brainer, this is Parfum de Mali's Delina Card Tube. I love this fragrance. They have done such amazing job with this fragrance. It's a lychee, rose, rhubarb dominating fragrance, which is sweet, which is sexy, which is soft, which is romantic, but does not perform soft. It's a beast mode fragrance. It is one of my signature scents. Like, Platinum Perfume is nailing with their fragrances, and the prices are so good. Affordable, good quality perfume oil. They are not synthetic and they are potent. Love Delina from Platinum Perfume. I have two backups of this one, and every time that I go and order something from Platinum Perfume, I add to cart one more Delina because I just don't want to run out of this. Best Delina dupe in the market for this price point. One of my signature scents, definitely already have repurchased and will keep on repurchasing. Then the next one, which is not going to be a repurchase, is by Armaf, and this is Club de Nuit Women. Now this one is said to be a dupe to your Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Now, I like this fragrance. It's very elegant, very womanly, very spring, summer appropriate, very office wear, very elite and classy. Again, got bored of it. Like, it just did not excite me with all these beautiful Middle Eastern fragrances coming in with such a complicated scent profile and such loud projection and such loud performance. This was kind of a little boring to me. Like, Orange Blossom is very prominent in this one, Patchouli is prominent in this one. It has a clean girl vibe to it, definitely. Even this one performs well. You can get 7-8 hours out of it. Projects also kind of mediocre, has a very classy, elegant feel to it, and I do recommend it. It's not that I'm saying that it's a bad smell. I just grew bored of it, you know. I was like, okay, I'm done with this scent profile. I need something more. I need something new. So something like, by Gucci, you have this Gorgeous Gardenia or Gorgeous Magnolia. Those are the kind of fresh fragrances, floral fragrances that I'm leaning towards. Again, Platinum Perfume has amazing floral fragrances. Even the J'adore Dior fragrance is so good. I'm leaning towards those freshy florals rather than this. So this one I'm not going to repurchase. Mostly, yeah, I'm not going to repurchase. Now I'm thinking कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि मैं मिस करूंगी उस फ्रेग्रेंस को और फिर repurchase कर लूंगी. I don't know. मेरी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. Then the next one is from Yardley, and this one is Star Flowerazzi Eau de Parfum. ये मैंने recently haul किया था, इसके बारे में recently बात की थी. छोटी सी बॉटल थी, मैं अपने ऑफिस पर्स में रखा था, तो काफ़ी जल्दी मैंने इसको ख़त्म कर लिया. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक 1.5 month में मैंने इसको ख़त्म कर दिया. एंड यू नो, इसमें कोई खास बात नहीं है. लाइक, दिस फ्रेग्रेंस इज लाइक अभी आप आए अभी आप जाओ वाला फ्रेग्रेंस है. देयर इज नथिंग एक्साइटिंग अबाउट दिस फ्रेग्रेंस. इज सो जेनेरिक, फ्रूटी फ्लोरल, उसमें भी that lily of valley meets lotus, meets some aquatic feel, meets flower and meets musk. We have so many better floral fragrances in the market. तो ये वाला उतना पसंद नहीं है मुझे. इतना मतलब है, ग्रेसफुल है, 2 घंटे चल जाता है and all of that, but it's not like कि I loved it, I'm wowed by it and I want it. There are better fragrances in the market. So this one will be a bye-bye. Next one is something again which will not be a repurchase, and this one is Honey Wildflower, and this one is by Bath and Body Works. पैकेजिंग बड़ी सुंदर है इसकी, बट शायद repurchase इसलिए नहीं कर पाऊंगी क्योंकि ये शायद अब अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. मैं रिसेंटली Bath and Body Works के साइट पे मैंने चेक किया और I could not find this variant, so I don't think there is a possibility of a repurchase here. But अगर possibility होती भी तो भी I'm saying that I would not have repurchased. This one is Wildflowers, some yellow flowers meets a lot of coconut and vanilla. This is sweet, this is coconutty, feels like a suntan lotion, has an oily feel to it which bothers me. Coconut fragrances मुझे बहुत पसंद है, creamy coconut fragrances मुझे और भी पसंद है, but coconut oil feel fragrances I do not like, and this one has the coconut oil feel to it. Starting में बहुत अच्छा लगा था, fresh लगा था, कोकोनट वाटर का फील आया था. स्लोली जैसे ये मैसरेट हुआ है, दैट फ्रेश कोकोनट हैज चेंज इनटू कोकोनट ऑयल एंड दैट हैज बिकम बॉदरसम टू मी. तो ये वाला मैं उस रीज़न से रिपर्चेज नहीं करना चाहती. बट बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स के परफ्यूम्स एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे परफॉर्म करते हैं. दिस वन यूज टू गिव मी 6 to 7 hours विदाउट अ रिफ्रेश, kept projecting the whole day. I was like really blown away by the quality of the Bath and Body Works perfumes. तो मेरी बड़ी इच्छा है कि मैं कोई नए फ्रेग्रेंसेस ट्राई करूँ बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क से. not the fragrance mist. I am not a fragrance mist girl. I want to try some perfumes from Bath and Body Works. If you have some suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Only if my budget allows, I will try them. Next perfume is a maybe for me. This one is from Zara and this one is Zara Nui. Now ये maybe क्यों है? क्योंकि there are days that I absolutely love them and there are days that I absolutely don't want to touch it. इसको खरीद के मुझे 2 साल हो चुके हैं. It doesn't usually take me 2 years to finish something this small, but it has taken, so that says a lot. I had my days when I loved it, I had my days when I hated it. Okay, I could not decide on some days why did I even purchase this fragrance. This one is your nutty, almondy, sweet, medicinal, again medicinal touch, kind of a very powdery fragrance. There are days that I want to smell like powder and there are days when I want to stay absolutely away from that kind of a scent profile. This scent profile confused me. I used to love it, wear it crazily for 3-4 days and then absolutely grow out of it. तो ये, but I kind of miss it. अब ये खत्म हो गई है तो I'm like, I need it, I miss it, I want it. So this is what I don't like about myself. Yeah, I want it. Okay, this we are clearly keeping it in the maybe pile based on my mood and based on when I visit Zara. I'll probably see it and I'll pick it up. Who knows? Next perfume is from Perfume Oil Corner. This is what the perfume bottle looks like, and this one was a Rose 31 by Le Labo fragrance. Now trust me, this is one of the most complimented rose fragrances that I have used. It's like a complete rose bouquet with some freshness of water and dewiness with the stems, the sap, the leaf, the carte, everything. This is everything. The bunch of rose with all its goodness and devilness. Absolutely love how natural this smells. How gorgeous this smells. It has a prominent green touch to this fragrance. Mature office wear, super duper fresh, a super summer appropriate daytime wear, even can be worn for lunch dates. Absolutely enjoyed this one, and long lasting, potent. Like, you know, these fragrance houses, these dupe houses are doing so well कि मुझे ऐसा लगने लग गया कि अब मैं Arabic fragrances भी शायद खरीदने का need नहीं है, and I can just go to these fragrances and get myself some designer replica, you know. Absolutely love this one and very impressed with the quality of this one, and I do want to, you know, I do want to test and try more fragrances from this particular house like Perfume Oil Corner. I definitely am interested in trying more of these. Now the last perfume is a very controversial one. This one is by Latafa and this one is Ajwad. Now people either love it or hate it. I am in the maybe category. Again, I have my days just like Zara Nui. I have my days where I have loved using this fragrance and there are very less days when I was like, oh, maybe not today. So overall, I am on the love side of this fragrance. Now, why people are so conflicted about this fragrance is because it has a very prominent metal vibe to it. This is a rose dominating fragrance. If you don't like rose, just stay away from this. It may even provoke a nausea or, you know, a puke, maybe, because the metallic note is very strong in this one. If you love rose, if you love that maturity in the rose, if you can cope up with the metallicness that this fragrance has, you will enjoy this. This is a potent fragrance. It's long lasting. It is beast mode. The sprayer gave up on me. Like, मैंने इतना कोसा था ना इस fragrance को because the sprayer was not working. I had to transfer this into another bottle and get done with it. See, मुझे literally खोल के pour करना पड़ा दूसरे bottle में to use it. But यार, I finished it. मतलब मैंने इसको 2 महीने में finish कर दिया. मैं trip पे गई थी. I went to Jaipur to my sister's place and when I came back, only 1/4 of it was left. And when I wore this to Jaipur, whichever store I went to, I was complimented for my fragrance. In fact, I was walking through a fabric store and there were 2-3 men who were like rolling those fabric and they were talking to each other. इतनी प्यारी खुशबू कहाँ से आई? And I was like, okay, I entered the shop. So, you know, there were people talking right in front of me कि इतनी प्यारी खुशबू कहाँ से? I enjoy the compliments that I get. So I can get, you know, I can take care of that metallicness that comes in here with this fragrance. I can cope up with that because I love the compliments that I get and I do enjoy the fragrance. So this is a this will be a repurchase for me. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that these mini reviews were helpful, and I hope that you're enjoying this kind of a content. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty, and let me know if you have tried some perfumes from Perfume Oil Corner, because I'm really interested in that now. I do want to kind of like test and try something from them, from that house. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.